Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the issue if you're not receiving calls on your phone. Just follow these steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to check for your network signal. If your phone says SOS or has no bars, move to a location with better reception. Open control center and turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it off again. You can also do this in settings by simply click on settings, and here you can see the option airplane mode. That's it, and make sure that your do not disturb mode is turned off. To do this, you have to swipe down your control center, hold on focus mode, and you can see the do not disturb option. Make sure it is off. Then you can check for blocked contacts on your iPhone. To do this, go to settings, search for phones and tap onto it. Scroll down to the bottom and you can see the option called blocked contacts. Just tap onto it and make sure that if their number is blocked or not. If the caller is blocked, swipe left and tap unlock. That's it. Then you can turn off silence unknown callers. To do this, you have to find unknown callers on phone and turn it off. Here, just turn it off. Check call forwarding. So to do this, you have to again go to phone and search for call forwarding, and here you can see the option. Tap onto it and make sure it is turned off. Then you can update your carrier settings on your phone. To do this, you have to go to general, then you can tap on software update and see if there is any update available, or just click on about option and wait for 5 to 10 seconds, and if any update is available, make sure that you updated it. Then the last option is you can force restart your iPhone. To do this, press volume up then volume down button and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This won't delete your data, just resets the system. Turn it off and restart your phone again, and that's it. If you are still facing the problem, check for network outages. Search your carrier name plus outage on your Google here. If there is an outage, wait for your carrier to fix it. That's it. I hope this helps you start receiving calls again. If it worked, please like and subscribe. Got other solution? Share them in the comments. See you in the next video.